Buenas tardes. Welcome to another chapter of Spanish Language Learning Center. And today we'll be talking about one of the most defined pillar of Spanish language, the verb estar. So estar means to be. So yes, we know that in Spanish language, to define to be, we have two verbs, ser and estar. Estar is used in temporary situations. So what are those exactly temporary situations? We'll go through that some time from now, but as of now, let's go through the conjugations first. What are the various forms of estar? So yes, we again have 6 forms, each for yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, vosotros, ustedes, ellos, or ellas form. Which means we have 6 forms, each for I, you, he, she, you in a formal manner, we, you all, they, and they. And these conjugations that we are going through now are applicable when we are talking in present tense. Alright? So what are the 6 forms? The yo form. For yo form it is estoy. You want to say I am, estoy. For you form or tú form, estás. So if you see here, there's a little accent on the A, and that means we have to give a stress. Estás. The third one, él, ella, usted form, está. Again, the stress is on A since we have this accent. In Spanish language, accents are very important. If we forget to mention the accent while speaking or while writing, the word can have entirely different meaning. So over here, when we are looking at él, ella, usted form of estar, we see there's a little accent on A, which is esta. If we forget to mention this accent, it can actually mean this. So esta without the accent means this, esta. Then nosotros form, estamos. Vosotros form is estáis. You all are. Ustedes form, están. They are. You all are. So 6 conjugations of estar are estoy, estás, estar, estamos, estáis, están, and they are all applicable when we are talking in present tense. Okay, so when to use estar? We just said that they are to be used in temporary situations. So what are these temporary situations? So first one, to express feelings, emotion or state. So you want to say I am happy, he is excited, they are calm, we are nervous. These all are feelings, these all are state of our mind, these all are emotions which come and they go by. They are not persistent. So yes, when we are talking about these states or the emotions, we use estar. We have an example here, I feel so good, right? Or I am feeling so good. So then we will be using estar. To express quality. So you went somewhere and you want to say this place is so popular, that place is so nice, or this dish is so rich. So you are expressing the quality of an object. Then you use estar. To define location. So you want to say you are giving the landmark of a place. The hotel is opposite to the supermarket. So yes, a hotel might always be opposite to the supermarket, but then we use estar over here. Although this may seem like a permanent condition, but then this is something to note by. Whenever we are defining a location, we use estar. Another one, to be on, vacation, trip or call. So yes, you want to say we are on vacations, or I am on a trip, or he's on a call. So we'll use conjugation of estar. 5th, to be understood. So you are explaining something to someone and you just want to say understood. Got it? Alright. So then we use the conjugation of estar. And the last one, location. Again, we might think that we just talked about location at point number 3. But that was the landmark we were talking about. Now here, again, there's another another situation which may seem permanent, but then we will be using conjugations of estar while talking about them. So let's say you want to tell someone Spain is in Europe, or I am at the shopping center. So yes, I am at the shopping center is a temporary condition because no one would always be at the shopping center. Alright, so let's go through a few examples. Yes, expression of feelings. I am happy, you want to say. So I is yo, and your form of estar is estoy, and happy is feliz. So estoy feliz. So you can also say yo estoy feliz, but even writing estoy feliz is perfectly okay. People will understand because you are saying estoy, that means you are talking about yourself. Estoy feliz, I am happy. He is happy. Now you are talking about someone else. So he is él, and el form of estar, está. Él está feliz. Él está feliz. Third one, we are here. So you're basically saying someone that you have reached at a particular location. So we is nosotros, and nosotros form of estar, estamos, and here is aquí, aquí. So you can say either nosotros estamos aquí, or you can just say estamos aquí. Are you okay? So you're looking at someone and the person might not seem too well, and you want to just ensure that the person is fine. Are you okay? That's a temporary situation. So estás or está, depending upon the relation between the two people, you want to ask in an informal or a formal way. And okay is bien, bien. So estás bien, or it could be está bien. Now over here, one thing to that note over here is then when you are asking a question in Spanish, so while writing it down, you have a question mark both at the end and at the beginning of the sentence. And at the beginning of the sentence, you have an inverted question mark. That's a must while actually writing a question in Spanish. Alright. So are you okay? ¿Estás or está bien? I am on vacation. Yes, we were talking about that. If we are talking about vacation, trips on call, estar is the verb to be used to define to be. So I am is estoy. Now on over here, you will be using de with it. De. And vacation is vacaciones. Vacaciones. So estoy de vacaciones. I am on vacation. Estoy de vacaciones. Another one. They are at the store. So you are talking about ellos or ellas form. And it's están. Ellos están en la tienda. They are at the store. Ellos están, they are, at is en. Store is tienda. And la is because tienda is a feminine noun. So we are using la to specify the. Ellos están en la tienda. Spain is in Europe. Yes, we were talking about location, although this seems like a permanent condition. But to define location, we'll use conjugation of estar. España, so we are talking about third person form. España está en Europa. Spain is in Europe. España está en Europa. So that's all we have for Estar. You can make as many sentences as you want. Try it out using the conditions that we just talked about, all the temporary conditions. Use all the conjugations of Estar, because this will actually go all the way in the language. This would be needed everywhere, probably every sentence that you'll be making. Okay, thank you.